Hello guys, I am Tkinter. Here my new project Crazy Textpad. It is a multi-functioning textpad and it has some awesome features. So see all the features. Without wasting any time, let's run the program to start the video finally. It takes some time to run the program. Here is our Crazy Textpad. First thing, we have to switch it to the dark mode to look better. You can see that the dark mode is very much good to look. And now you think that why working time is now 000. So we have to make an account and sign into the account to get the benefit of this application. So let's make an account. Here you can see the message complete. Congratulations, your account sign up complete. Let's log into the account. Now you can see that account holder name is shown here, Tkinter, and the working time is proceed. So this means the account is logged in successfully. Okay. Let's first discuss some awesome features of this application. So now I'm doing introduction. So I should make it uppercase. So here's the uppercase and make to the center align. Okay. So we have to give underline to better look. Okay. So some features are of this textpad. Some features are just like you can change the font of the selected text. You can make line paste between the lines. You can add bullet between the at the front of the line of the selected line. Also you can make alignment of the selected text. You can change the case just like uppercase, lowercase. You can search something in web. And many more. Okay, so these are the points, so we have to bulleting it. Okay, so we have to first color change to better look. I should give it pink and change color to the orange and make it bold to look good. Okay, so I think it's very much good to look. So I have introduced a new feature, text to speech by Python so that it can convert text to speech. So here I must include that. So I have to select some things, and
some features are 1. Font change. 2. Line space. 3. Bulleting. 4. Alignment. 5. Voice change. 6. Something search in web. 7. Many more.
Okay, you see the some beautiful features. Okay, the most important thing is that we can save this file as PDF, just like save file as PDF. 1 minute, my computer is slowing, sorry. Okay, we should make it as temp3. The current file is saved as PDF. Okay, let's open the file. 1 minute. Please wait for some time, my computer is going too slow. Here's the PDF, you can see that. Okay, let's open some new file. I want to open C file as Fibonacci. This is the program of Fibonacci series in C, I think. Okay, let's find some word or find some pattern. Okay, enter a text to search. I want to find flag 2. Here you can see that finding result, total finding result 3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let's replace it by other some word. Flag 2 replace as by flag. Total replacing result 3, 1, 2 and finally 3. Okay, let's save the file. Your file saves securely. Here the path of the file. Okay, let's open some new window and let's do some work with web. I want to search Alone song in YouTube, so I write Alone song and
searching the topic Alone song in YouTube.
This is the song by Alan Walker and I am a great fan of him.
At DigitalOcean, we know that building, deploying, and managing your apps takes a lot more than just...
Okay, here the song started. If I search myself in Google, so I have to write Samarkand Dasgupta and search in Google.
Searching the topic Samarkand Dasgupta in Google.
Here's my LinkedIn profile, here's my picture and many more. That's not my Facebook account because I have no Facebook account. Okay, here's also present some features. If I search myself in
Searching the topic
LinkedIn,
Samarkand Dasgupta in LinkedIn.
here's my LinkedIn profile. Okay, and okay, 1 minute. I open it. You can search any name in Facebook or Insta. I have no account in Facebook and Insta, so I don't use it, but it has the functionality set in here, so you can search in any name. Okay, so I give you an example such like my Saji and
Searching the topic Mysore in Instagram.
Okay, you can search anything on Wikipedia, just like I want to search Python programming language, and I want to search it on Wikipedia.
Searching Python programming language in Wikipedia.
Here's the description about Python programming language in Wikipedia. You can check it. So here's the dark mode, here's the light mode. I prefer dark mode because it is very much favorable to me. Okay, if you want to draw something in your task, so you can draw it also, just like 1 minute. Okay, these apps I made in the time of September, and I attached to it so that there will be integration in Textpad with drawing app. Okay, I also put a video on this app in my YouTube channel, so if you don't notice it, I also provide the link in the description box. Please check it. Okay, the new awesome features of that app is we can send message to the WhatsApp by this application. So let's study, but there is some prerequisite to send application. Here are the some prerequisite. I am going to explain it properly. First thing, you have to open your browser, not minimize your browser, otherwise the message cannot be sent. Second thing, you have to connect your WhatsApp with web.whatsapp.com so that there will be not any connection issue. And the third and most important thing is that your receiver number should be start with country code. I use India country code as +91. Now I hide the number to type the right number and text to send, and I here type hello, then 1 minute, then I click open.
Please wait. This will take time to send message.
Yes, this will really take a long time to send message. I know that the waiting is very much irritating, but we have to wait to send the message properly. Please wait. It's take too much time to loading. Here you can say that hello is automatically sent. Here hello is automatically sent. Okay, so you can send messages to WhatsApp via this application. Okay, to send a message to WhatsApp via this application, here's a limitation. You cannot send any message to the WhatsApp group via this application because I am not yet introduced these features in this application, but soon I will introduce it, and this is the beta version of my application, and I will improve to give my best to improve my application. Okay, let's and some features others, like I also see the small features. I also explore it. Here you can undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, clear. You can do that clearly. Yes, all features are done. Okay, one feature is remaining, that is history. But before that, we have to save all our records. So we have first log out from our account. So this is the logout button. Your file saves securely. You are logged out from your current account. So to view the history, we first log into the account, otherwise we cannot see the history because computer will not understand which account history we want to show. So we first log in again. Here you again see that account holder name is shown and the working time is activated, so that we log in properly. Then we must visit the history. Here's the general information about the searching. You know that we have saved the file fibonacciplay.c as after the modify. So that is the current record, and and we saved as temp3.pdf, but incorrectly we save it 2 times, the PDF file in the same name, so that it show 2 times of it. So this is a small bug, I will repair it very soon. And here you can say that we sent hello in WhatsApp, so here's the update about the WhatsApp message. Here we do at entry number 2. Okay, so guys, this is all about my Crazy Textpad. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get regular project updates. And if you want to connect me with LinkedIn, the link in the first comment, and the source code link is in the description and in the first comment. And please connect me with LinkedIn to get regular project updates. So that's for all, and I think that it will help you a lot to develop your ideas, and I will make changes and get update in that so that it properly works. And I want to fix some bugs present here, some small bugs, and introduce some new features. Okay, so I will give my best to this application. So guys, that's for all for today. So see you in the next video. Have a nice day.